Blessings viewers, blessings subscribers. I don't know the thing go. You don't know, say they were there. They are a new link from where? New link production. Well, my viewers and my subscribers, today, I have another one coming in, people. Cause sometimes new link have to really wonder what wrong with these men in Jamaica. You know what I mean? When I see all men fighting, killing themselves over woman. Oh my gosh. Well, my viewers and my subscribers, let me just get into this topic before I go too long with it. Well, it is said that in St. Andrew, in a community of Golden Spring, right, you have a female and you have two male, but G0NE people, you never turn out good. Because here we go now. This said that a farmer, a 27-year-old farmer, right, him suspect another brother say him have a affair with him. Woman, see? So him see the brother in a part of the community and him go over there with an argument develop between the two of them. So people see what go on and people come on the scene and them squash it. You know what I mean? Squash it and say, you're done with that and everything, and that the brother go him ways, the other brother go him ways. So it is said that later in the evening, right, this man now, who is the 27-year-old man, who is the man for the girl, right? Him there in a part of the community, maybe a bill or a relaxer or something. When the other brother see him now, the brother just come over there and another argument start them now where he use a knife and stab this brother several times to death, people. You understand? Him fled the scene from the community, meaning him fled and gone up somewhere. So residents in that community get angry because the people must say, yo, a man should go kill the man like that because we squash the thing and him really go up there and go, you understand, over a man, woman, because it's the man, woman, the people. So the resident, them make a search, several arm themselves with knife, machete them, find him. And G0NE people never turn out good. Because when they do find this man, they stab him, they chop him, everything to death. So now people, look at this. The female, she's still there, living. No, she's young. So she soon find her next man. Still go enjoy herself, still go party, still go have fun, what kind of. While that 27-year-old man, he's dead. Eventually argument did start, them did squash, he finished. He wasn't the one who started back the attack. But this stupid other man now kill the man over a woman, and see there, the people them kill him too. So 2 life has lost over 1 female. 2 life, over 1 female. Which is not right. You know what I mean? Because, number 1, this man now, you mess around the man, woman. The man come to you, the man talk to you about it. Say, yo, such and such an argument develop which. You look in yourself, maybe you just say, yo, you're the top man or what. And then I go attack the man and kill the man over him, woman. I don't blame these residents of doing this community justice against you. I don't blame them because he's a wicked man. You get me? You're wrong. At first point, you're wrong because number 1, the man have a woman and that's his girlfriend where they live together. They're in a relationship with. You understand? So eventually, you're wrong. 100% wrong. You should never go mix there. So no way. You know what I mean? Viewers and subscribers, this is not the first time we see things like this happen where couple and this and that happen in a dispute and what. Them leave the woman. And I can tell you that guarantee 1 year time, even maybe 1 year, 5 months time, that's the woman that see maybe there with a different man. While these 2 men gone now. People need to wise up, man. Look in yourself. I told you every day, Right now, a couple years ago, them they said 10 1 to 1 man and new link to this. Right now it's 20 1 to 1 man because man have been dying so much now in Jamaica all over the place, you know what I mean? Every day on a daily basis. So yo, them need to looking at themselves, man. Sometimes when I have to just walk away and let go. You know what I mean? You're in a relationship. If you hear say, oh man, I get a bond, so that means there must be a problem. Is they are going to fix a problem or just let loose? You know what I mean? Set yourself free. You know what I mean? You know, sometimes you build together, you start so much things together, you create so much things together, but at the end of the day, remember this life is more important, and whatever you did have today, you can go again and you can achieve that, you know what I mean? So, the idea, not just looking on yourself, yo. Things like this, it's unnecessary. You know what I mean? 2 life gone, 1 woman still there. She still a go give away the pum pum. Viewers and subscribers, I don't know the thing, man. This is New Link from New Link Production, and we say attack. Blessings, people, enough love, enough respect. Stay blessed, stay safe, peace, and don't forget for God to please do subscribe. And when you do subscribe, hit that notification button so as New Link drop a video, you can automatically get them. People, here we go now. When you do share the video them, please. Awareness. Attack them, New Link. Enough love, enough respect. Peace. I'm out.